Hello everyone, welcome back. And you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change font style and text size on iPhone and iPad. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe. So without wasting any time, let's get started. We will use two methods. Method number 1. Connect to Wi-Fi and open App Store and search for fonts. The first one we will select, tap on Get. After downloading, you can use this software to change font style and text size. Now we go for method number 2. The second method is go to settings, tap on display and brightness. Now tap text size and adjust the text according to your need. If you want to bold text, then enable this option. That's it. Friends, hopefully you found this video helpful. Then please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.